Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 5th of September 2020 question. Question number 8. -1 minus root 3 into I divide 1 minus I whole 30 simplifies to 4 options are given. This is the question in the house of complex number and it's a memory based question. So at first we solve this. Just simplify in Euler's form. So this is the given expression, and we convert this one is Euler form. So we take that is equal to, we may write 2 into e to the power I into 2 pi by 3 divide root 2 into e to the power I minus pi by 4, as this one lie in second coordinate. So it is whole power 30. Now that is equal to root 2 and is cancelled out by that is root 2, and it become e to the power I into, it is whole 30, e to the power I into 30 into 30 multiplied, and then we get 20 pi, and it is plus, so 15 by 2 into pi, that is equal to 2 to the power 15 into e to the power 20. For we write it just 27 into pi plus pi by 2. To making the solution, so it become 2 to the power 15 into, it is e to the power I something, so theta, so we may write cos of 27 pi plus pi by 2 plus I into sine of 27 pi plus pi by 2. So as y-axis it is negative here, so in y-axis this is negative here, so I write down cos of this one is 0 and sine of this is -1, so this is 0 plus I into -1, so it become -2 to the power 15 into I. So we reached, this is our required answer, and our option 1 is our correct choice, -2 to the power 15 into I. Now I just explain you for complex number. This is the mighty important chapter of JEE Main. Complex number is one of the most important chapter for JEE Main. So some important things, what is essential, we should first know that what is here. We first see that z is equal to a plus ib. So what is z is equal to a plus ib? Just see this. If this is the imaginary part on the axis and this is the real part, if we denote, this one is the real part and this axis denotes the imaginary parts, and this is the this is O, so we may write this one is A plus IB, where this is A and this one is B. So in the we easily say that Z is equal to A plus IB and plot this just like this way. So here we get Z is equal to A plus IB. Another important thing we see that Z bar is equal to what? A minus IB. And most important thing we see, Z into Z bar is equal to mod of Z square. Some important formulas I just write down here. For in another class I elaborately discuss with you that what is this formulas and how it becomes. And here is the most important in the polar form. What is the polar form? Polar form we should write Z is equal to R into cos of theta plus I into sin of theta. This is another form where this is called the polar form. And another important thing in complex number is De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem. If we discuss, this is only one class for De Morgan theorem, but I just simplify you that De Morgan's theorem tells us R into cos of theta plus I into sin of theta, if its power is n, then we may write R to the power n into cos of n theta plus I into sin of n theta. So today is enough for this chapter related some problems, something informations basic. Once more class you have to discuss with, I have to discuss with you that what is more in complex number. So here is the whole solution and some important things you should learn about complex number. Today is enough. Now any question, any query about complex number, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.